Krishna Mukunda. Hare Krishna.
Damodar ki Sama 2 to 7. Please start now. Nita on the
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Nita of the guest. This one.
Adya.
Hare Krishna Adya.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, we should start in a minute or so. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bye Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Can you see my screen properly?
Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare Hare
Okay, guys, wait. Guys, wait. Okay, I was muted now. Okay, so are you all enjoying the summer camp? Yes? Yes. You can show me a thumbs up. Yeah, that is good. Okay, so what we will do first, we will sing our Hare Krishna Ma Mantra 11 times. Okay, 11 times. Okay, let's start. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Krishna Hare Hare, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Thank you kids for chanting so nicely. Okay. Done? You're done? Okay, done. Thank you. Thank you so much for chanting so nicely. Be quiet. Okay, thank you. Enough. Thank you. Mataji. Mataji, maybe you should mute all of them, Mataji. Or can I mute? Oh. Yes, we should be now quiet. We have to progress.
Nothing. Why? You are muted.
Yeah. Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, did you get things with C today? We are going to do the letter C. We did A, B, and we are going to do C.
2 cars.
Cars, who is that? Can I see? Did anybody get things with C? Let us see today.
Crayon.
Cup. Oh, wow, yeah, I see cup.
Crayon. Car.
Who is that? Oh, wow, yes, I see. I see. Car, cup. What else do you have?
Crayon.
Oh, yeah, crayon. Yes. Yeah, cat.
I got the car.
Oh, wow. Oh, what is that? Yeah, I'm seeing. What, Danya, what is that you have in your hand? Okay, crayon, yes. Oh my God, good. Yeah, calendar. Yes. Yes, okay. Okay. I see all the things. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Somebody raised hand. Okay. Maybe, you know, as we progress, yes, I'm seeing the things. Yes, all the cars, cat. Yes. Your toys. Yes, thank you for showing. You know what we can do? We can still, we have a lot of time left in the class, so let's continue. Then you can show me again. You know, I will ask you again. Those of yours I was not able to see, I will ask you to show again. Okay? Thank you. Okay. So, you know what have we... Okay, yeah. That's nice. Okay, so what have we been doing? We have been chanting, right? Since last 2 days in the camp, we have been chanting. Yes? But anybody tell me, why should we chant? Why should we chant? Yes?
Mataji, I got something.
Okay, who is that? I got something. Can we wait? You know, we have lot of time.
Sanu.
Sanu, okay. Sanu, can I see later? You know, we still have lot of time. So let me do the story.
Mataji, do you need help?
Hello?
Mute.
Now you can. You are on mute.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji,
Yes.
please.
Okay.
Chanting on beat? Yeah.
Yes, chanting on beads. Okay. So what we were discussing, like, why should we chant? So that we can get closer to Krishna. Right? Isn't it so? How do you talk to your parents sometime when they're in the office, your father or your grandparents, when they're away? You talk them through the phone, you connect to them. So like that, when we chant, we are connecting to Krishna. We can talk to him. Krishna is dancing on our tongue when we are chanting his name. And also, you know, what we have to do when the house is very dirty, what do? You clean the house. If a guest is going to come, you clean the house, you make it nice and tidy so that they can come. So like that, when you chant, what happens? You are cleaning your heart. You're cleaning your mind. All the bad things, like, you are sometimes jealous, greed, all those things go away and you are making place for Krishna. Okay, so now let's see. We can chant on beads, right? Maybe you would have seen your parents, or when we go to the temple, you might have seen devotees chanting on beads, right? And the other thing is, we can chant using musical instruments. Like, there are so many wonderful Hare Krishna tunes that you can chant. Like, you can use your guitar, you can even use your flute, violin, so many musical instruments that we can use for chanting. And what does chanting do? You see, even the kids here, they can chant. Anybody can chant. Like grown-ups, kids, babies, everybody loves to chant, right? When we go to the programs, you hear the kirtan in the temple. What happens? You feel like dancing. You're so much enjoying. Like that, even here you can see how devotees are so happy. They're all chanting together, right? So that is what chanting does. It makes us very happy. And see, who started chanting? Many 100 years ago, somebody came to this earth in Kali Yuga. Do you know? Does anybody know from the picture? Can you tell me who is this?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes.
Krishna.
Yes, you're all very correct. He came, he taught us the method of chanting so that we can easily connect to Krishna. See, he is chanting here with his associates. There is Nityananda Prabhu. All the associates, they are chanting and dancing together. Yes, they're all chanting together. And not only that, he could even make the animals like tigers, monkeys to chant.
Oh, yeah.
Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is none other than Krishna himself. Okay, so now, today we are going to see a very nice story. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was little, he had another name. Like you have sometimes your pet names, right? Sometimes your mother can call you Laddu, Gulu, Pinky, Chinky, so many names you have. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also had a name.
Nimai.
Yes, Nimai. But do you know why was he called Nimai? Does anybody know why was he called Nimai?
Because he was under a name tree.
Yes, very correct, very nice. He was born under a neem tree, so he was called Nimai. So this is a very nice story because like Krishna, he had many naughty pastimes. He was very mischievous, right? He used to trouble Mother Yashoda. He used to steal the butter. He used to trouble Radharani also. Like this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was little, he also had many wonderful pastimes. So one such pastime is with a puppy, small cute puppy. So what happened one day, you can see here how Nimai is playing with his friends. While he was playing, he saw that somewhere nearby, there are a group of puppies playing together. So what did he do? He chose one cute little good-looking puppy. But his friends were not happy. They were like, oh, you have chosen the best puppy. What will we have? You are left us with ugly puppies. We don't want to play with that. We will go away. We don't want to play with you. But Nimai said, don't worry. Oh, come to my house. We will all together play with this puppy. So what did he do? He took the puppy to his house. And can you see? He tied it to the chair. And then he said, let's all play together. They were just laughing around. They were just rolling. They were lifting the puppy. And they were doing all sorts of things. But while they were playing, there broke out a fight between the friends. So one of the friends said, see, you get to keep this puppy. You are going to play with this. We don't have good puppies to play. I want to go. I don't want to play with you. But Nimai said, don't worry, you can come again tomorrow and play with us. But he said, no, I'm leaving. So when he left, that friend, when he left, what did he do? Well, he went to Ganges, where Mother Sachi was there. Mother Sachi is Nimai's mother. So he told her, see, you know what your son Nimai has done? He has got a puppy in his home and he's playing with it. He's keeping it on his lap. He's rolling, you know. See, you should go and tell him. See what he's doing. See. And then as soon as Mother Sachi heard this, she got so upset. She was like, oh Krishna, why does my Nimai do like that? She went running back home. And then what did she see? Oh, Nimai had got a puppy. See, can you see how she was angry? She was not at all happy what Nimai had done. She said, Nimai, why do you behave like this all the time? You have so many things to play with. Then why did you get this puppy? You know, we are Brahmin. You're a son of a Brahmin. How can you play with a puppy? It's so dirty. It eats anything, right? Dogs then eat anything from anywhere. They are not very clean. And you know, you have to take care of dogs. Those of you who have pets, you know, like if you have pets, you know, you have to take it out so that it does not make your house dirty. So his mother was really upset. She said, Nimai, please, I don't want you to do all these things. Why do you always trouble me? She was so upset. But then Nimai said, no, mother, I need to play with the puppy. No, I like the puppy. I want to keep the puppy with me. He started saying like that. And then what happened? Then Mother Sachi was like, okay, but see, you just leave it here. See, you're dirty. You have played in mud the whole day with your friends. Go to the Ganges, take bath, and then come back home. Okay, then he said, okay, mother. So, but what did Mother Sachi do? As soon as Nimai went to the Ganges, she untied the puppy and she said, no, I cannot keep this at home. It has to go out. So she immediately untied the puppy and then left it out of the house. Then what happened? One of his friends had seen, oh, Mother Sachi had done like this. Then what did he do? He again went running to the Ganges and told, Nimai, you know what your mother did? She let the puppy untie and then she left it out of the house. Oh my God, what will you do now? You don't have the puppy to play with you. As soon as Nimai heard this, he got so upset. What happens when we have something very dear and we are not able to find it? We become so sad and upset, right? Like that, Nimai became very upset. He went running home. And when he saw that the puppy is not there, he said, Mother, what did you do? Where is my puppy? I want my puppy back. I like that puppy so much. Her mother was like, Sachi Mata was like, don't worry, Nimai. Why are you crying? She was trying to console him, but he was not listening. She said, Nimai, somebody must have stolen. Don't worry. And she tried to tell him, okay, tomorrow I'll go and search. Please don't cry. But even then he was not ready to listen. Then Mother Sachi said, see, I have got I made some favorite food of yours, some sweets and some savory snacks. So please don't cry, Nimai. Come here. And then she took him. And can you see in the picture how she fed him some nice food so that he could be pacified and he would not be upset. And then what happened? But Nimai was happy. Nimai, then he ate his food and he immediately went back to play with his friends. But let's see what happened to the dog, the small puppy. Since he was outside the house and he was not with Nimai anymore, so he went to some other part of the town. And what did he start doing? Chanting Hare Krishna. Can you see how is it standing and chanting? We have never seen such a puppy do things like that, right? Animals don't do things like that. But since it has been touched by Nimai, so it was chanting and all the people came from the village. Oh, what has happened? See this puppy. It has to be some special. Oh my God, special mercy. It is blessed. How can it dance? Everybody were so amazed and shocked to see. And then suddenly what happened? While the puppy was dancing, and then it suddenly fell dead on the ground. Then people were thinking, oh, what happened? What happened? But what had happened? When they were thinking like that, they saw some beautiful golden chariot in the sky. And that chariot, it had jewels, gemstones, nothing like the airplanes that we have right now. And then what happened? They were all so amazed. There was light shining from it. What do you think that chariot was? It was a special chariot from the spiritual planet for the... Yeah, Vishnu Duta, yes, they had come to take the puppy. Can you see in the next picture? How the puppy, immediately went back in the chariot, back to Godhead, back to Krishna's place. Because it has been touched by Nimai, it had the blessing, so much mercy, right? See, that's what happens, if we are also chanting Krishna's names, if we also have the blessings, even we should try to go back to Krishna, right? Here we are sometimes sad, sometimes, upset, sometimes we are not able to do things, sometimes we are sick, sometimes somebody scolds us. But when we go to Krishna's place, there is no such thing. There is only dancing and enjoying and happiness. Right? Isn't it so? We should also try to chant, right? So, now that we have come to the end of the story, let's see what is the moral. And then, let me see if you have all listened carefully, because I have some questions for you. Okay. So, who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He is incarnation of Krishna in Kali Yuga. This is called...
He's Krishna.
Yes, he is Krishna. See, he's so merciful.
Krishna. He's Krishna.
Yes, he is Krishna. And what did he... Yes, what did he do, He even showed mercy to people like Jagai Madhai. They were very, very bad brothers who were doing all kinds of bad activities like hitting people, drinking, so many bad activities. But he even showed mercy to them when they asked for forgiveness. So we know when Lord Ram came or when Lord Parshuram came, they did not show any mercy. They were killing demons. They were trying to kill all the bad Kshatriyas. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, he was just trying to make everybody Krishna conscious. So much mercy he gave to all of us. So we should be very blessed.
He
Right?
wanted to make everybody devotees.
What? Can you please repeat? Why did he make?
He wanted to make everybody devotees of
Yes, he wanted everybody to be a devotee. Yes, he wants every one of us to be happy, right? And also, what did he do? He also taught us how we should worship Krishna. In this other picture, you can see he's cleaning the Jagannath Puri temple. By himself, he's cleaning, he's scrubbing. That is how we have to clean our hearts also. All the dirt we should take away so that we can make place for Krishna in our hearts. Balram, don't do that.
Be healthy.
Yes, and also he gave us the Maha Mantra. So can we all raise our hands and sing the Maha Mantra, everybody together once? Can we all raise our hands? Please, come on. Say, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you so much. Okay, I have some questions for you. Let's see if you listen to the story. Okay. So one of you should answer who is Nimai.
Nima is Nimai, the god. Oh no, it's God.
Correct. Okay. I can see three participants. Yes, he is Krishna. Krishna.
The animal he brought is a dog.
Okay. Okay, can we go to the next question, please? God. Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Vinay Kumar, Indu Mataji, are you there?
Yes.
Mataji, if I have to ask questions, everybody is answering. I just want them to be on mute and I just want to choose one person to answer.
Okay. So whoever wants to ask a question can raise hand. I will.
Mataji, please unmute yourself, Mataji.
Okay. Mataji, can you just choose one of them if they raise hands and then unmute them, Mataji? Is that okay?
Yes, Vaishnavi is
No.
Vaishnavi.
Okay, I'll ask the next question. Which animal did Nimai bring home?
Dog and dog.
Okay. Me, okay. Who is that me? I don't know. Okay.
Me.
Me. Okay, you can say me, you can say. Dog, yes, very correct. Okay, now let's see. How did Mother Sachi, pacify, console Nimai after he found that his puppy was missing? She gave him something, because he was not becoming quiet. Who wants to answer?
Me. Satvik.
Karthik, okay, go ahead. Karthik.
Satvik.
Oh, Satvik, okay, go ahead.
Prashadam.
Yes, Mother Sachi had made some nice prashadam so that, he would be quiet. And that's how he became quiet. Now, the other question is, where did the puppy go after death? After he died, some aeroplane came, right? So, where did he go? Who is that? Okay, Anjan wants to answer. Anjan. Oh my God. Mataji, can you unmute? Oh, very good. Correct. He went to Golok Vrindavan. Very nice.
Hari. I'm sorry, I put my name there.
Oh, okay, Hari. Okay, sorry. Okay. Okay, last question. Last question is, what mantra do we chant in Kali Yuga? Yes, Hare Krishna Ma mantra. Very good, very good. All of you did so awesome. Those of you did not get chance, I'm so sorry, but I know every one of you know the answer. Thank you so much. Okay, now what we will do? Okay. Now there is Ada Mataji who is going to show us something very interesting today and very nice. Okay, let us all welcome Vinita Gandharvika Mataji. Hari Bol!
Hari Bol! Hi! Welcome. It was very beautiful story, right? We all enjoyed. Thank you, kids, for participating so nicely. Now let's learn something interesting. That's our favorite rhyme. Let's move on to the special rhyme, which starts with C. Come on, right? Today we are learning about C. So then we are going to learn about C rhyme, okay? Okay, one which Krishna knows a lot. Okay, you all should repeat with me, okay? Chand butter, di Mataji. Chand butter,
Dear Mataji.
Chant it for me as fast as could be.
Chant for me as fast as could be.
Chant it and mix it together. Put it on the shelf for Balrama and me.
Churn it and mix it with sugar and meat.
Put it on the shelf.
For Balram and me.
Yeah, churn it and mix it with sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf. Okay, let's go a little slow, okay? Chanda butter, dear Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Chant it as fast as could be. Chant it as fast as could be. Chant it and mix it with sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf for Balrama and me. This is the rhyme for today. I hope everybody could repeat it. It is Easy rhyme, right? It's very easy. Okay, let's move to, and you will get a chance to practice it in the break. So if you did not understand, we can wait. Okay, we can wait at the end, and we can go when it's a break time. Now we will move to the creative cooking. Something creatively we are going to cook for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. C for creativity and C for cooking and C for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Right? Let's see what we are going to do. Something creative. Can you all see what's this? It's a train, right? It's our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's train. I know you all have got the WhatsApp reminders. What do you need, right? We need a square crackers or else a rectangle crackers, whatever is available in your home. I need some fillings which goes into the train. If you see that, we have so many fillings in that. That we put almond, Cheerios, and some cereal, Honey Bunches cereal I selected. So you can put whatever you like to put in. So these are the ingredients, and we need peanut butter along with that to stick it. We need something to stick it, right? To make us a box or like a train, we need something to stick it. Okay, now we are moving to the first step. Are you all ready? Can you do thumbs up if you're all ready, please? With your ingredients, are you all ready? Yes, good job. I could see everybody is ready with their ingredients. Let's move now. Why do we do late? Okay, before doing that, I just want to show you something interesting. We learned today, what's this? C for cup, right? Let's say Haribol. Haribol, yay! Now Haribol, okay? Let's see now what will happen. Now, first we put the first biscuit on the base, okay? Did you all put the biscuit on the base? Can you all do thumbs up, please? Okay, next we take another biscuit and then we just put a peanut butter down and the sidewise too, so that it can stick it, okay? The next cookie will be like this. Can you all see? Did you all understand? Please let me know, thumbs up. Are you all understanding it? Okay, now the next one, you can put the other side. Now we put the back side. Now the right side, you can place one more cookie with the same thing. You just put peanut butter and stick it so that it can make like nice box, square box. Okay, did you got it? Okay. Now let's put another one towards the left side and put it a peanut butter nicely, spread it over the corners so that it can stick it. We need it to get stick, right? And then we place it one more. So I hope you are all doing it. If you don't have a square biscuit, I have saw some comments on the group that, oh Mataji, I don't have a square biscuit. What do I do? I hope everybody has a Parle-G in their house. So you can do with this also like this. So I just made a sample how it looks with a Parle-G biscuit, which is a rectangle biscuit. Okay, then after you make this square box, and the same thing, next thing will be repeated. Again, you place one more biscuit down to the base as a base. So you're putting their almonds and everything, right? It's going to store in that. Okay, so you put it one biscuit over there and then apply the peanut butter so that it can stick. So now let's wait for the friends if they did not finish. So we will the food for Krishna. What we do is, we should be in a good consciousness. Whatever consciousness we have, that consciousness is going to go into the food that we are making. So we should prepare our minds so nicely. So nice. How can you make our consciousness good? Only the one way is that chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, right? We chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and then we make our consciousness pure. Just now Mataji has told in the story but how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was scrubbing Jagannath temple. So in the same way we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and scrub our hearts and mind and make our consciousness so pure, so that when we are making our prasadam, so we will be our conscious so nice. It's all Krishna. So whatever we are eating, it's going to be so yummy, right? Our ISKCON is meant for prasadam. So be sure you're chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra when you are doing this stream. Okay, move to the next step. Okay, now again the same thing, right and left side, stick it with the peanut butter. And then we close the square box. We again close it and then again repeat the same thing. Okay, so now it looks like this. Okay, then move on to the wheels. Now we have a train. Now we need wheels, right? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, right? Like that. Now we need a wheel for even the train, okay? So we just need to cut the grapes or a blueberry, anything that looks like a wheel, maybe, okay? So then you just stick the peanut butter to the corner here. When we apply to the peanut butter, when we applied peanut butter to the grape, it is not sticking. So what did I do is I applied it to the cookie itself. I applied it to the biscuit only, so that it can stick over there. My grape can stick over there and it looked like a wheel. So like that. So we are gonna put 1, 2, 3, and the other side 4, 5, and 6, and the front or back, whatever it is, you put one more. So it looks pretty. It looks so pretty. Okay. Now then. So if you make with the Parle G, again, some kids said that they don't have a square biscuit. It looked like this, okay? And then what do? You fill with the other ingredients that you took, right? We took these ingredients that I took almonds, which is very good for our health, that we can get so much of protein and energy, right? And the cereals. Okay, you can serve the train with all of this that you took. You can take any of your favorite things. Maybe you want to put something else instead of almonds. That's also fine. Krishna will like everything that you offer to him. And then we will go and offer it to Krishna. We cannot eat it like that, right? So we need to offer it Krishna. So Krishna will be giving us blessings through prasadam, right? Okay, so we put the tulsi leaf. Actually, there is offering mantra. I know most of the kids might not know, but Krishna will be pleased if we chant 3 times Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Okay, let's chant. Okay, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, Okay, like that. Okay, is anybody having any doubt? Mataji, you can unmute. Maybe somebody is unable to make it or they have any doubts. We can clear, Mataji. Everybody got the idea how to make the train?
Yes.
Yes. Do you all like the train? I need the thumbs up. You are all and also your videos in the group. It's so nice.
We made this.
Okay.
Coming down.
Is anybody having any question?
Slowly falling down.
Well done.
Where's Johnny?
Okay, I don't see. Is anybody raised? Okay, Keshav, do you have any doubt? Raising hand.
Hold on.
Anybody having any doubt? Who is that?
After making
let's
our
fill up
tree,
something in
what
your
we do?
brain. What are you going to fill up?
Okay, I hope everybody liked it. Everybody liked it.
Put two
And
I
grades.
don't
trying that.
Small one.
One more last time, I would like to sing the
No,
rhyme.
this is coming off.
Can we move on to the rhyme? Are you all ready? See, I already told you that
More grades.
Prasad should have a good portion.
It's not ready yet.
Want to put anything else in the brain?
Let's all sing the rhyme one more last time.
I'm not ready yet. I need to put one more thing.
Okay, while singing the rhyme, we can do it.
This is the data.
Dear Mataji, churn it as fast as could be. Churn it for me as fast as could be. Churn it and mix it with sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf for Balrama and me. Okay. Hope you all did it. Mataji, we will go to the break rooms, Mataji.
Sure, Mataji, in just a moment, okay?
Okay. No worries. Hope you all like it. Can you all respond? Can you unmute Mataji? Everybody, maybe they will tell their response.
Yes.
If they like it. You all like it?
Yes, I love it. Yes.
Put your hands and big Hari please.
Auntie, very yummy.
Very yummy.
Haribo.
I'm happy. You know, when you offer it to Krishna, when I'm prepared, it will be very yummy. It will be very yummy. Yes, now I think you all are moved to the break rooms. We only have a few friends in this room.
Include everyone to the break rooms.
Okay, now we can repeat the rhyme. Who wants to repeat? Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Is there anybody unmuted? Who wants to try? I can help you. If somebody don't know, I can help you.
Me, Vrinda.
Okay, Vrinda, go ahead, Vrinda. Okay, do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Churn the butter,
Churn the butter,
churn the butter, dear Mataji.
Churn it for me as fast as could be. Churn then mix it with sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf for Balaram and me.
Good job. Who wants to go next?
Me.
Who is that? Me. Can you tell your name?
Rajraj.
Rajraj. Can you go ahead, please?
Churn the butter, dear Mataji. Churn it for me as fast as could be. Churn and mix it with sugar and ghee. On the shelf for Balaram and me.
Thank you, Rajraj. It was so nice. Who wants to go next?
Kunda.
Okay, go ahead, Mukund.
Chanda butter, dear Mataji, turn it for me as fast as could be. Churn it and mix it with sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf. Mataji,
Yes, yes.
can we
Thank
show
you.
train?
Who is that? Who wants to go?
Sanika,
Sanvika, go ahead.
we show a train.
Do you want me to help?
Can we show a train?
Can you show train?
Okay, you want me to show the train? Yes, yes, I can show you. I can show
Can
you.
I show?
See, this is a train. This is a train.
Show the train, my train.
Oh, your train? Okay. Can you wait? Maybe our kids can finish their repetition and then you can show me. Okay? Okay. We'll give another 2-3 kids opportunity to sing. Okay. Anybody else want to sing? Who wants to try? If you don't know, I can help you.
I know the song. Churn the butter, dear. Churn as churn and mix it, sugar and ghee. Put it in the shelf and meat and all around me will eat it up.
Yes, very nice. Thank you. Then who else want to go?
I want to go.
Who is that?
Vidhi.
Go ahead, Vidhi.
Churn the butter, dear Mataji.
Churn it for me as fast as could be. Churn it and mix it
And ghee. The shelf. Balaram and me.
Yes, thank you, Vidhi. It was so sweet. Your voice is so cute. Who wants to go next?
Kuttadita. Balavina.
Yes, Vrinda, go ahead.
Chanda butter, dear Mataji. Then mix it,
Churn it as fast as could be.
churn it and mix it, sugar and ghee. Put it on the shelf for Balaram and me.
Good.
Did you got the right, maybe?
Good job, Vrinda. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
mommy.
Okay. Who else? Well, now we can see the trains. You can show me. Wait, I'll stop sharing my screen so that I can see you all big. Okay, who wants to show the trains?
Me, Mataji, Sanvika.
Anvika. I don't see you. Where are you? Did you on your camera?
No, Mataji.
Can you on your camera?
Sanvika.
Okay. Yes, now I can see you. Yay, beautiful train. Wow. Can you put tulsi leaf on top of it and offer it to Krishna? Krishna will feel so happy.
Yes, Mataji.
Good job. You did it very good and very fast you are. So good. Good job. Who wants to show me? I see. Oh, this is with Parle-G biscuit. Can you lift it up? Okay, this is very nice. What's your name? What's your name? Tarani? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You can unmute yourself. You did good job. Thank you. You did very fast. All kids are so smart. They did it very fast.
T-R-A-N-I.
Say it again.
T-A-R-A-N-I.
Thank you. Who is that? Vidhi, did you finish?
Yeah.
Can you show me? Can you show me? I did not see that. Hey, look at that. It's so nice. Very beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Vidhi.
बोलो तन्मय.
तन्मय. माता
Who wants to show? Tanmay. Okay, Tanmay. Okay. Tanmay, can you show me the train? Wow, this is Topi's train. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. You all did it so fast. I'm so happy to see. Good job. Who wants to? Vraja, you want to show? Vrajraj? Did you finish your train? Okay. Who else want to show? Do anybody wants to try the rhyme that they did not do it? Anybody? Vrunda and Mukunda, are you finished? Did you finish it?
Mataji.
Tell me, Mukunda.
Who's done? I'm done. So can I show?
Yeah, show it, please. I'm waiting to see your train.
I'm almost done.
Oh, really? Can I see that?
I'm almost done.
Okay, please post your pictures in the group.
Done.
Don't forget to post it. Can you show me? Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yay, good job. Good job. Very beautiful. Yes, can you show me your train and what's your name?
Can you show me your train?
Wow. Yes, I can see your train and what's your name?
My name is Sushita.
Lushita, it's so beautiful train. Wow, you already felt something in it. So beautiful. So beautiful train. Please post your picture in the group, okay? You look very cute. Okay. Is there anybody who would like to show?
My train.
Would you like to show, Tarani?
I want to show.
You want to show yours again?
We don't know the small one.
Let's see.
Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Oh, sorry, I was talking on mute. Is there anybody still remaining and want to show it to me? Vrinda.
Mataji, we made one more.
What do you want?
Mataji, we made 2 trains.
Oh, you made 2 trains? Wow, that's so nice. Yes, one is for Krishna and one is for Balram or one is for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda. Yes, good job. Good job. Good job. It's so nice to see you all. And I was seeing your crafts in the group and your audio messages, video messages. You were seeing very nicely rhyme and sloka. That's so nice. It makes us so happy. And we are hearing to it. All of your videos we are seeing. Please do post them. Okay. We are waiting for your videos and pictures to be seen. Okay. It gives us lots and lots of happiness. Okay.
I'll meet one more.
Okay, where are you? Where are you? Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Sanvika, it's so beautiful. Thank you. Would you like to offer it to Krishna by putting to
Yes.
Beautiful.
Can you offer it to Krishna? Yes. No.
Okay, if there is no more things, we can end the call here, okay?
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you, Hari.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Krishna, I'll see you later on tomorrow. Tomorrow's Mataji.
Hare
Hey, Krishna. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye बोल दिया था.
Mataji, I'll just check on the other rooms and then we'll see.
Yeah, Mataji, that's what I was trying to call you. You are there in this room only. Okay.
So कैसे? तो ट्रेन का डाल देता. कोई नहीं इसका ना एक्सप्रेशन का नहीं.
सुदर्शन का कैसा है? बताना.
ऐसे प्रॉपर ट्रेन का ऐसा दिखना चाहिए. ऐसे पकड़ दो.
पापा, सुदर्शन का
डाल दे. पकड़ इधर. ये पकड़. ऐसे पकड़. वीडियो दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, to be. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. Hi, Krishna. Thank you. Hey, Krishna.
Joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey, Krishna. Hey, Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Vidhi.
The rhyme was very nice.
Oh, Rhyme, you liked it? Please send your video. I would like to see it.
Okay.
Are you enjoying the summer camp?
Yeah. Quack, quack. I see it. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I'll stop the recording also.